Monday, May 10th, 2021. Sad news today. Time for the Jolly Reds to go. Let's get started. I'm sure you noticed that the chair has been put back in its original place and the grill has been put where the tree once was. Management, aka you know who, said it interrupted the feng shui. I know one thing. Happy wife, happy life. I already did most of the leg work. I went to Menards, picked up this bucket, grabbed a couple rose bushes, came back home, put them in water. Now we're back. The reason why I'm removing the Jolly Reds is I was informed that they won't be coming back. I didn't plant them early enough. So I'll just replace them with the rose bushes. The pot was so heavy that it left a mark for me to put the rose bushes in. So it worked out well, I guess. I'll just remove some of the mulch and then I'll make a bigger circle before I plant the rose bushes. Looks good so far. I think this will work. As a reminder, when you purchase the packaged rose bushes, the instructions are on the back of the label, so don't be so quick to throw them out. And of course, I had to bring out my trusted utility knife to cut open the fabric. The directions state that you should go down 15 to 18 inches. Now that I'm getting the hole as deep as I wanted, I'll just reach over here and grab some of the potting soil. This is it for me. Time to add the soil. I still had this one open and ready to go. I used it last year for the Jolly Reds. I only put a handful of potting soil in the hole, then I'll fill the rest with the existing dirt. Heads up, guys, the instructions stated to keep the rose bushes in water for an hour. I didn't do that. I went online, listened to some experts. They said 24 to 48 hours. So I hope I didn't hurt them. At this point, I'll just put them in the ground and take my chances. Spread the roots a bit and make sure dirt is underneath the bud. I'll do that once I firmly plant it in the ground. Also, make sure that the bud is an inch above the hole. Pleased with the results so far. Wasn't much to do. So now it'll just be on to the next one. I already started on the hole. I know you didn't want to sit through that again. We're getting there. As promised, that one's done. The other one is finished. Now it's just time to do some cleaning up. I almost forgot I have to cut some of the excess fabric. I don't like it flapping around. Well, that's going to be it. I know it wasn't much today. I'm just trying to do everything piece by piece. I'll continue to monitor the progress of the rose bushes within the next several weeks. I like the Jolly Reds, but I think these will be great replacements for them. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. And take care of your lawns too. Bye.